provide tuition for Key Stage 1 children, Key Stage 2 and Key Stage 3. And we do that in small groups, or we do one-to-one tuition as well. We're based at Broadstone Arcade in Stockport. We have got 2 tuition rooms. It's a 90-minute session and we cover both maths and English in those sessions.
Schools now are becoming more and more prescriptive, even how you do it, not just the learning objectives, but how you do it. And the lovely thing about Carrie's is that she has got some planning that we can follow almost as a starting off point. However, she's at great pains to sort of be creative.
I love teaching, and when I did my PGCE there wasn't a lot of teaching jobs around, so I was doing a lot of tutoring for Carrie, and then when I got a full-time teaching job I just loved it so much here that I carried on, and now I do every other Saturday.
We're going to play Splat, and it's to do with high frequency words. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read one of the words, and the first person to splat it gets to keep it, okay? Can you splat the word queen? Oh, and I had it, well done. We make the lessons as fun as we can. We don't want to be somewhere that's boring, never mind a 7-year-old or an 8-year-old, so we make it as fun and as exciting as we can.
I think because it's quite short bursts, it's only an hour and a half, it's manageable for them, and we have a break, and they're just doing 45 minutes of maths, 45 minutes of English. There's lots of games. We use what they like and just run with that, so it's very much child-based.
From the children themselves, they're saying, oh, we wish we could come to you every day, Carrie, I wish school was like this, so that's what I'm proud of. We feel that if children are engaged and smiling and happy when they're working, they're more likely to retain information.
There's a very positive atmosphere in our sessions, and Carrie provides stickers which really motivates the children.
We're looking for qualified teachers. We offer excellent rates of pay. There's flexibility in when you want to work. We need people who like to be creative, to present learning in a fun and exciting way. And we're a really, really supportive environment. And we're fun to work with as well. We're nice people to work with.